Mitraya Namaha. Welcome to VSP Thineti channel Energy Circles, a series of questions. People keep asking us questions, and these things, there are people who ask really to know the answer, and there are some people who just ask questions to show their dominance. This is universally known. So if there is a real burning question which is troubling you, you are struggling with it, please put it across. We will think together. Not that I am going to tell you something great, but we will discuss it together, right? So in case you have any such doubts, please mail it to vbvhelp@gmail.com and we will be able to answer your questions, right? And I am taking this from Universal Power, from Sri Aditya Punnan Swamiji, and with the great power of Keshar Mitra VSP Thineti. So I am zero, my gurus are heroes, right? So the question, whom do I listen to? Is it to my heart or to my brain? How do I make right decisions when my heart says something but my brain says something else to do, right? This is the universal problem. I think we all face these problems, right? Whom do I listen to? How do I listen? How do I make a right decision? Okay, my heart says something, my brain says something, and I don't know whether I'm taking the right decision or not. So I'll give you some tips and tricks. If you can follow these, that will help you a lot. First is maintain good health to make right decisions. Good physical as well as mental health. You have to maintain good physical and mental health to make right decisions. If you are mentally healthy, you will definitely make right decisions. If you are physically healthy also, you tend to make so many right decisions. That is why our ancient scriptures always say, do pranayama, do yoga, do exercise, go out into the sun, you do your daily chores regularly so that you will be physically fit. If you are physically fit, you will mostly make right decisions. One. The second is, if you really want to make right decisions, train your gut. Your gut is tremendously powerful and will always guide you properly. That is why they say gut feeling, right? Sometimes it is very hard. Your gut confuses you. Your gut says do this, your gut says do that. So how do you make a right decision then? There is a beautiful there is this beautiful cells in your gut called spindle cells. These spindle cells are also seen in your brain. They are sometimes in different parts, like insulate part of your brain, and there are certain areas of your brain which vibrate with your gut. If you can train your gut cells, the spindle cells, to your brain, if they can vibrate together, that will mostly give you a right decision. So if you really want to make a right decision, and if you are confused whether to listen to your brain, listen to your heart, listen to your gut, you get confused, then try training this in your meditation. Train your gut with your brain. If they vibrate together, you will mostly make right decisions. 100% you may not be able to make it because that needs a lot of training, but if you start early, you may realize you will be right always, mostly, right? And the other important point is, you have to at any cost practice your pranayama. If you don't have control on your breath, if you are not able to manipulate your breath, you will not be able to take right decisions mostly. So if you really want to take right decisions at right times, do pranayama, control your breath. If you can control your breath, you can control the universe. Then next is, leave what your senses say and try to do what your heart or what your gut says. Mostly we get confused based on our senses. Our sense organs say, sleep for some more time, eat this snack, eat this sweet. Our sense organs will say what is immediately gratifying you, but our gut and our heart says what is benefit for you in the long term. And if you really want short term benefit, go for it. I don't say this is wrong or this is right. I say what you want. You want a long term treasure or a short-term gain. That's it. That is your call. That is your life. That is based on your past karmas. You decide whether you want a short-term gain or a long-term treasure. So if you really want long-term treasure, if you really want to take a right decision, then check if it is only by your senses you are trying to make that decision, or is it really what your gut says. Generally your sense organs say, if I marry that girl I am happy because she's so beautiful and all. But if you train your gut properly, the gut will say she is a right girl for you to marry, or this is a right prospect for you to invest in, or it will guide you, your gut will guide you when you come out of your sensual drive, and when you really focus on your pranayama and take decision, you will mostly hit at the right decision. Okay, and also if you really want to make right decisions and you are really confused, you don't know, you have tried everything but you are unable to do it, leave such big things to Guru. Guru will remove all that negativity in you, all that darkness in you, and will always guide you towards proper path. All you have to do is trust your Guru, sit in your meditation, let the Keshar Mitra's voice guide you. This may take some time for you to really understand the power of Keshar Mitra's voice or Aditya Purnananda Swamiji's bliss. If you really have to enjoy that, you just have to, wait, have that patience, and no matter what, do your sadhanas. All you have to do is come back to VSP 1080 channel, put a video, sit, think on your problem and ask for the guidance, and you will just get that answer. And if you are not getting the answer, that means you are not fully focusing on it. That's it. I believe that there is no problem in this world which is bigger than Aditya Purnananda Swamiji, the bigger than the Nandu Baba's power. So all you have to do is you just have to sync that, tune that. You know how the lock works exactly. If it clicks there, it will open up. So you have to tune yourself into that consciousness, that power, and all this needs is little bit of practice, enormous amount of trust and some patience, and you will be always right in your decision. Suppose you want to make a right decision, suppose you did take some wrong decisions and you want to correct them, Arka Vidya, your Shamantaka Vidya, your the entire process of Surya Upasana created by Theosophia Shamantaka Mission is your right track to guide you into that level. But the point is, you should have enormous faith and trust, and believe that if you start your journey here, you will always have proper perspective towards life and proper journey in your life. And to take right decisions, start with this basic one. Train your gut, train yourself to take right decisions. Start with small things and then take bigger decisions, right? And if you still have any doubts and all, talk to your Guru. You and your Guru is always connected. All you have to do is realize it, that he's just waiting for your your hands. He will grab you and pull you towards him. All you have to do is you have to extend that arm. Anyways, hope I gave you an insight. Whom do you trust now, your heart or your brain? No, you have to train both of them to synchronize with this universe and take right decisions. Do not listen to your brain, do not listen to your heart. Listen to the combination, and then you will see all positive and successful decisions. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Mitraya Namaha.
Mitraya Namaha. Welcome to Energy Circle's VSP 1080 channel. Thank you for the amazing response. Please do not forget to pass it on and subscribe. Thank you very much. Aditya Sakshi, Sampurna Raksha.